we were really happy when we walked away with the win. The Aston was really, really strong.
Podium's always good.
It was good results and good points for us overall in the championship.
I think we're getting there. We're getting there.
The car upgraded, and this weekend in Okayama, we felt the car is improved a lot.
And we still need a problem on the setting because the car is still understeer a lot.
Well, the past 14 years that I've been coming here, I've been able to claim quite a few podiums, quite a few wins.
So I'm quite confident. It's very tight circuit in low speed to mid-speed corner.
And tires are not ready and brake too late, so well, you got to find the limit. So.
We're very strong. Korea, also here, it looks like we're quite strong. It mightn't be our best circuit here at Okayama, but certainly we're going to be in the mix at the top.
I did very good yesterday as well, so we are quite confident with the combination of me and Tonio.
The car is strong, stronger than previous round in Korea. So I will be fighting for the winning.